two forces at an angle 120. The bigger force is 40 Newton and the smaller force is perpendicular to the resultant. Find the smaller force. So from our parallelogram law of forces, this is the resultant. This is the resultant. Why these are the forces? So we have to find the smaller force. They say the smaller force is perpendicular to the resultant. So remember, this is 120, the angle between the two. So if here is 90, so here should be 30, so that the angle between the two is 120. The bigger force is 40. So if we call here 40, so this is, let's find the one that is perpendicular to the resultant, which is the smaller force. If you could remember, I told you that if you complete the triangle, that the angle in any parallelogram law of forces, that the angle between the resultant and one of the forces is always F1 sine theta over F1 cos theta plus F2. So this is the angle. Alpha is the angle between R, the resultant, and F2. So with this, we see that tan 30, because this is the angle between R and the resultant and 40 Newton. So it's now F1 sine 120, because theta is the inclined angle, that's angle between the two forces, so which is 120 over F1 cos 120 plus 40. So we know that tan 30 is 1 over root 3. Tan 30 is 1 over root 3. So 1 over root 3 equal to sine 120 is root 3 over 2. So have root 3 over 2f over. Okay, f1. This is cos 120 is minus half, so minus f1 over 2 plus 40. So we'll cross multiply. This times 1 is minus f1 over 2 plus 40. Why this times this? Root 3 times root 3 is 3, so 3 over 2 f1. So collecting like terms, so we have that 40 is 3 over 2 f1 plus f1 over 2. 40 equals 3 over 2 f1 plus f1 over 2 is 4 over 2 f1, which is 2 f1. So f1 is 20. So the smaller force is 20. The answer is option. The answer is option B. So option B.